Do you want to earn money online, but don't know where to start? Welcome to a journey of discovery where we'll explore practical and efficient ways to boost your income right from the comfort of your home. In today's digital age, the internet is a goldmine of opportunities waiting to be unearthed. This video is your treasure map, guiding you through 8 lucrative methods to earn money online. So brace yourself for an exciting expedition. Stay tuned as we reveal the 8 effective ways to make money online. The first method is freelancing. Freelancing is all about making a living off your skills. You can be a writer, a graphic designer, a developer, or any other professional. You offer your skills to clients on a project basis. And the best part, you get to choose who you work with. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are teeming with clients looking for freelancers. They're like a marketplace for your skills. Freelancing provides a flexible way to earn money using your skills. The second method is blogging. Imagine creating a space online where you share your thoughts, ideas, or expertise. That's blogging for you. The first step is to pick a niche that you're passionate about. This is crucial as it helps in attracting a targeted audience. Once your blog is up and running, you can monetize it through ads, sponsored posts, or even affiliate marketing. Remember, consistency is key in blogging. Blogging can be a steady source of income once you build a loyal audience. The third method is online surveys. Picture this. You are sharing your opinions and in return, you're getting paid. Yes, that's right. Companies value your feedback and are willing to pay for it. Online surveys are a quick way to earn a little extra cash. The fourth method is online tutoring. Harness your expertise in a particular subject and share it with the world. It's like having a virtual classroom at your fingertips. You teach, they learn, and you earn. Online tutoring can be a rewarding and lucrative way to share your knowledge. The fifth method is affiliate marketing. Imagine being a digital middleman, where you promote other people's products online and earn a commission from every sale made through your referral. It's as simple as signing up for an affiliate program, choosing a product that fits your platform's niche, and sharing the affiliate link with your audience. The key here is having a substantial online presence. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable way to earn money if you have a good online presence. The sixth method is selling products online. You can transform your creativity into cash by selling handmade products. From pottery to paintings, the possibilities are endless. If you're tech-savvy, consider selling digital products like ebooks, music, or photography. Not a creator? No problem. You can drop ship products. This means selling goods that are stored and shipped by a third party. With the right strategy, you can turn a tidy profit without ever touching the inventory. Selling products online can be a great way to turn your passion into profit. The seventh method is stock trading. Essentially, stock trading involves buying, holding, selling, and shorting shares in publicly traded companies with the goal of making a profit. The process is simple. You buy shares when prices are low and sell them when prices are high. It's like a marketplace, but instead of physical goods, you're trading company stocks. But remember, it's not all smooth sailing. The stock market is volatile and losses are part of the game. Stock trading can be a high-risk but high-reward method of earning money online. The eighth and final method is starting a YouTube channel. This platform allows you to share your passion, creativity, and unique voice with the world. To start, create a channel, plan your content, and keep your audience engaged. Your earnings come from ads, sponsorships, and even fan donations. Remember, the key to a successful YouTube channel is consistency and engagement. So keep those videos coming and make sure to interact with your audience. A YouTube channel can be a fun and creative way to earn money online. So there you have it, 8 effective ways to earn money online. From freelancing to YouTube channels, there's something for everyone. Whether it's blogging, taking online surveys, tutoring, affiliate marketing, selling products, or stock trading. Remember, the key to online success is patience, persistence, and continuous learning. Start earning today!